Hello my dear scholars, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, now we are going to start with the exercise 5.6 and this is the most easiest exercise from this chapter. And I know my scholars are so intelligent, they can solve this exercise in just few minutes. Okay, so now let's start from the question number 1 from the exercise 5.6. So the question number 1 is, name the types of the following triangle. Okay, so as we all know, we have three major types of triangle: equilateral, scalene and isosceles. So let's start with part A. Triangle with the length of the side 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. That means here all sides are different. So which type of triangle it is? Yes, it is an scalene triangle. Now read the B part. In triangle ABC, AB is 8.7, AC is 7, BC is 6. So here also all three sides are different. So it is a scalene triangle. So the answer is scalene triangle. Now for the C part, triangle PQR, in which PQ equals to QR equals to PR equals to 5 centimeter. That means all sides are equal and they are of 5 centimeter. So whenever all sides are equal, they are equilateral triangle. Okay, so the answer C is equilateral triangle. Now for the D part, triangle DEF, in which measure angle D is 90 degree. So 90 degree is right angle triangle. Okay, now read the E part, triangle XYZ, in which measure angle Y equals to 90 and here two sides are equal. So when two sides are equal, it is an isosceles and here it is 90 degrees. So right isosceles triangle. So the answer is right angled isosceles triangle. Okay, now the last one, measure angle L 30 degree, measure angle M 70 degree and measure angle N, that is 80 degree. So here in the F, all three angles are less than 90. And what is less than 90? Yes, acute. So the answer is acute angle triangle. Okay, so this was a very easy question. Now let's solve question number 2. So scholars, now let's solve question number 2 from the exercise 5.6. Now in this question you have to do match the following. For the first part, the measure of triangles are given, and for the second part, the types of triangle is given to you. Okay, and this is the world's easiest match of the following. Okay, the first one is three sides of the equal length. So three sides of the equal length, which type of triangle? Yes, it is a equilateral triangle. So first one, the answer is E, equilateral. Second one, two sides of the equal length. Okay, so a triangle that is having the two sides equal is called, yes, isosceles triangle. So for second, the answer is G. Now for the third part, all sides are of the different length. Okay, that means no side is of the equal length, all are different. So that is an scalene triangle. So for the third, the answer is A, scalene. Now fourth part, three acute angles. Okay, so that is very easy. So it is an acute angle. So the fourth, the answer is F. For the fifth part, one right angle. So that is a right angled. So for the fifth part, the answer is D. Now for the sixth part, one obtuse angle. Now one obtuse angle is what? C. Obtuse angle. Sixth part is the C. Now for the last part, one right angle with two sides of equal length. Okay, so underline one right angle and two sides of equal. That means isosceles right angled. That is the B. So for the last part, the answer is B. Okay, so this was very easy and it was question number 2. Now let's solve question number 3. So scholars, now let's solve question number 3 from the exercise 5.6. Name each of the following triangle in two different ways. Okay, so underline this word, two different ways. So for the first part, two sides are equal, 5, 5 and the last side is 8. So when the two sides are equal, it is called isosceles, and this all angles are less than 90 degree. So less than 90, that is an acute, and two sides are equal. So acute isosceles angle. So answer is acute angle and isosceles triangle. Okay. In the same way, for the B part, it is a right angle and all sides are different. So you will write right angle and scalene triangle. For the C part, two sides are equal and it is an obtuse. So you will write obtuse angle and two sides are equal. That's why isosceles triangle. Okay. Now it is a right angle and two sides are equal. So right angle isosceles triangle. So right angle and isosceles triangle is your answer. Now in the same way, for the E part, you can see all sides are same. So equilateral and acute angle. Okay. Now for the last F part, it is an obtuse angle and all sides are different. So obtuse and scalene triangle. So obtuse angle and scalene triangle. So in this way you have to solve such types of question. Okay. So scholars, now let's solve question number 4 from the exercise 5.6, and this is the last question from this exercise. So read the question number 4. Try to construct the triangle using the matchstick. Can you make the triangle with 3 matchstick? Okay, so that's very easy. With the help of 3 matchstick you can easily construct the triangle. Okay, and this question is very practical. You have to try it at your home. Okay, so with the help of 3 matchstick you can easily construct a triangle. Now for the B part, is it possible for you to make a triangle with 4 matchstick? Pause the video, try it by yourself and let me know. Okay, so you have 30 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, so scholars, are you able to make the triangle with 4 matchstick? No. So you will write, by using the 4 matchstick you cannot make a triangle. It's not possible. Now for the C part, you have to use 5 matchstick. Okay, so 5 matchstick, in this way you can easily use 5 matchstick to make a triangle. Now similarly for the last D part, you have to use 6 matchsticks. Okay, so with the help of 6 matchsticks you can easily make a triangle in this manner. Okay, so this is your answer, and this is a very practical question. You have to make triangle by yourself, as we have discussed this in the algebra wala chapter also. Okay, so in this way we have completed exercise 5.6. Now scholars, do practice all the questions very carefully and write down all the answers into your notebook. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone and take care.